what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Two things are happening today in this video. We're going to be replacing the shift boot collar with this nice red Alcantara piece, and we're also going to be putting in some Acuity parts in the shifter to get rid of the sloppiness that the stock shifter has. So let's get started. This piece is out, and now the centering spring. As easy as that. Make sure everything's good to go, and then we'll put everything back together. Need to take off these 4 screws first. Next, take out these 2 screws and undo these staplers. This is probably the most frustrating part of the whole thing. You have to pull 5 tabs that are attaching the silver piece. Here's how I'm taking the staplers off. Super tedious.